Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install the webview2 runtime. To begin, open your browser and type www.microsoft.com. As a next step, click on the search bar and type webview2 runtime and hit enter. You'll be redirected to this page. After that, click on Microsoft Edge WebView 2. Once redirected to this page again, you will have three options, but for me the easiest is using the Bootstrapper. So click on download and read the privacy notice and click accept and download. The download will automatically begin. Click to open the download folder, right click and select run as administrator. Click yes, as Windows will ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes. Once done, the download and installation will begin and you will be prompted to restart your computer. And after that, you have successfully completed the installation. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.